If you want to create a new Elementor page in WordPress, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. By the end, you'll know how to create the page, launch Elementor, build your layout, and preview the finished result on your site. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple WordPress tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find Pages and click Add New. This is where you create a brand new page for your website. Once the editor opens, type a title for your page in the title field. For example, you might call it New Project, About Us, Services, or whatever matches the page you want to build. Next, look to the right side panel and find the template option. This is an important step because it controls the page layout. Select Elementor Full Width. Choosing this template keeps your site's header and footer in place, while giving you a clean page body that works perfectly with Elementor. That means you can design inside a blank canvas without extra layout distractions. After setting the title and template, it's time to save your page. Click the blue Publish button. In WordPress, you may need to click Publish twice to confirm the action. Once that's done, your page is now created and ready for Elementor editing. Now let's move on to the next step. At the top of the page, you'll see a large blue button that says Edit with Elementor. Click that button to launch the Elementor editor. The screen will reload and you'll be brought into Elementor's drag and drop interface. This is where the real page building happens. Inside Elementor, you can build your page structure visually. Start by clicking the plus icon in the center of the page. This opens the section or container selection options. For a modern layout, choose a Flexbox container structure. You can go with a single column layout if you want something simple, or a two-column structure if you want to place text and images side by side. Once your container is created, it's time to add content. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see widgets like heading, image, text editor, button, and more. Drag a heading widget into the container if you want to add a title, or drag in an image widget if you want to place a visual element on the page. You can keep adding more widgets to build out the rest of your layout exactly how you want it. As you make changes, Elementor updates everything visually, so you can see your design come together in real time. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Elementor because you don't need to guess what the page will look like. You can simply drag, drop, adjust, and refine until the page matches your vision. When your content is ready, don't forget to save your work. At the bottom left of the Elementor sidebar, click the green Update button. This makes sure all of your changes are stored on your live WordPress page. Finally, to check everything before sharing it with visitors, click the eye icon for Preview Changes. This opens the page live on your site, so you can see exactly how it looks in the browser. It's always a good idea to preview your page before publishing it publicly, so you can make sure the spacing, text, and images all look right. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Elementor page in WordPress. You added the page, selected the right template, opened Elementor, built the layout, and updated the design. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next WordPress guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.